Hey guys, this is Krupesh once again, your vlogger, and today again I am here with a new vehicle and sharing my experience on my new purchase, that is Honda City CVT automatic 5th generation 2020. And I have bought the pearl white, or you can say it is a platinum white, and the mid variant VX. Now, as you know, my videos are not technical, and I will not go through the specifications because there are many gurus on YouTube who will explain you much better in the technicalities, right? Now, what I am here just to give you a simple idea of why VX and why not ZX or V. But before that, I will like to tell you that all the three variants, in which V, the base variant, has all the basic features and all the good to have features in it. So, if you are not a sunroof fan, if you do not like automation in your car, an automation in terms of if you just move away from the vehicle, the vehicle should auto lock or something like that, right? Then V variant is good for you. I would always recommend to go for V variant. Now VX and ZX, there are very few things which are different, which differentiate the models. And if you ask me which to buy, I would always say VX is the right model plus modification on it. So I have bought the VX model and I have modified it to somewhere make it similar to ZX, if not at I would say same as ZX, right? So what are the changes? So I'll first of all tell you what is the uh, changes, or what are the things which ZX has, that is the top variant petrol, and the mid variant doesn't have, or the other variants doesn't have. One is the you can say auto mirror getting closed. So whenever you go out of your car or you go away from your car, the mirror should get closed, or when you lock your, you can say shut down your car, the mirror should get locked, right? Or you can say it should get closed. Second is somewhat chromification. The ZX has a lot of chrome around it, VX doesn't have a lot of chrome around it. Third is the leather seats inside the car. Both mid variant and the lower variant has fabric seats, whereas ZX has leather seats, right? And then there are certain automation, that is whenever you move out of your car, it should certain things should be shut by itself without having a manual intervention, right? Fourth is the sunroof, which top variant has, the base variant doesn't have, but the mid variant has. And fifth, if you ask me, it is about the lane camera on the left hand side. So what is a lane camera? Lane camera is whenever you take a left turn, it will show you if there is any person or a vehicle on your left hand trying to overtake, so you can always take a better decision, right? Point is, you can beware of before taking a left turn, right? So that is the help of the lane camera. Now what I have done is VX, I have, and the difference in cost, the V variant you will have it for around 14 lakhs, the mid variant you will get it for around 16 lakhs, and the top variant you will get it for ZX, that is you will get it for around 17 lakhs. So the price is good and they are able to justify the cost. Now if we modify the V variant by certain chromification and leather seats inside, that's beautiful. That will give you idea, or it will take you somewhere near the mid variant. Okay, definitely you cannot put a sunroof, and I will always recommend, don't go for aftermarket sunroofs. If it's been done by the company itself, that's good, else don't go for it, right? So by just spending around 50,000 max, I'm telling you max, you can somewhere be close to the VX variant if you buy V variant, that is somewhere around 14.5 lakhs, and you get the VX similar to VX variant minus the sunroof, right? If I go for a VX variant, similar things, I change the leather seats. There are fabric seats, I make it leather, so somewhere I get close to the ZX. I put some chromification, and like I have done it over here. The bottom side I have put a chrome. It's not looking like a chrome because it's night right now, right? Here I have put some chrome. Again, it's not looking chrome, but it's chrome. Again, here I have put some chrome, and also at the back side I have put some chrome, right? So somewhere I'm trying to get it close to ZX. Again, you spend around 50 lakhs max, 50, I'm so sorry, around 30-40,000 max, and you will be somewhere inch closer to the ZX, right? Definitely the lane camera and certain things you cannot match, you have to go for ZX, and ZX is all your wow, or you can say not good to have, but only a wow list on it, right? So my point of this video is very clear, which particular variant to buy, I would always recommend go for the base variant V. Spend 14.5 max, get it modified by Honda itself. Don't go for aftermarket, and you will love it. If you want to go for a sunroof as well and certain automations, okay, go for VX. Spend around 30-40,000 max, 50 max I would say, and you'll love to see that your VX is as good as your ZX. Definitely your headlights change because it's all about halogen over here and 3 lights. ZX is all about LED and 9 lights, right? So there are changes, but that's okay. You can always have a aftermarket LED lights. It will not be wow as ZX, but it is good to have, right? So as I said, it's a good to have feature, not, and ZX is all about wow to have, right? So if you spend around 30-40, that is around 16.5 max, you will have a beautiful car which matches your expectation and somewhere is similar to your top edition or your you can say ZX again you will love to modify somewhat, and that is you're spending 20-30,000 max, and at 17.3 17.4, okay, you will get a beautiful wow car. But my recommendation is spend less and decide strategically, decide bit smartly, and you'll enjoy the base and the mid variant. That's it. I have completed bit faster, though I took more than 6 minutes. But the agenda of this particular video is, please don't spend unnecessarily on the ZX variant. You can modify your mid variant and base variant and love the car. The car is beautiful. People will compare it with Creta because it's of similar cost. Definitely both are cannot be compared. They are different segment altogether. But due to similar cost, people are confused. But I would say go for City. It's a beautiful car. You love to drive. You'll feel like you're flying you can say aeroplane. It has so beautiful seats and a driving comfort. Everything is beautiful. The car looks elegant. It's all about status symbol, I would say, and it has 22 years of history, right? A loyal history. So thank you, friends. Once again, good evening. Have a great evening ahead. Ta-ta.